Keep going like this. Down, up, down, up. Last 5, come in center. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax. Now this time, keep your left foot on your right hip. Left hand down on the floor, right hand behind your neck. Now touch your right elbow to your left knee. Come on. Like this. Exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last 10, 9, keep twisting, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale down, exhale up, and last 12. Now, palms down on the floor, straighten your right leg, and now up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now right leg down on the floor, hands line with your shoulders, and now drop your knees to your left side and come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And relax. Good job. Now just hug your knees to the chest in Pavan Muktasana. Keep holding it. Relax for a while. Stay there. Now last exercise for your abs. Now do cycling like this. Keep your toes pointed and go slow. 1, 2, 3. Keep pointing your toes like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. Continue. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just hold your legs at 90 degrees for 20 counts. Legs at 90 degrees, stay there. Feel the blood flow going down, stay there. 1, 2. Very good exercise for your sciatica pain. Stay there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now join your feet together and feet down in Supta Baddha Konasana. Now close your knees and open. Join your knees together and open. Very good exercise for your pelvic muscles. Keep doing like this. Keep flapping your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now just press your knees down with your palms. Close your eyes and hold for 10 counts. Stay there. Keep pressing your knees down. Last 10, 9, 8. It release cramps in your menstrual cycle. Stay there. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Join your knees together. Now let's do last asana, happy baby pose or Ananda Balasana. Bend your knees, grab your toes. Push your elbows down. Legs wide and hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.